Let's get this llama started. First, you're going to start drawing little curved lines, kind of like the shape that you would make a cloud. They are wavy lines, go up, down, up, down, and there you go. You got the llama's body. Now we're going to draw the ears. Here's the first ear. Kind of make like a U shape and another U shape. Oh, a little bit off, but it's good. You have the ear. All right, now we're going to draw the inside of the ear. There we go. Awesome. Next, we're going to draw the eyes. Let's make that a little bit longer. There we go. A little bit darker. There. Yes. Awesome. Okay. Now we're going to draw the nose and the mouth. First, you're going to draw a big circle like this, a big O shape. Then you're going to make another U. Then we're going to make a J, touching down to that bottom O, and then another J, touching the bottom there. And we're going to make other U shapes. That's going to be showing its chin. And let's get some eyelashes on this eye. Let's make it a little bit darker. There we go. We're going to curve these lines a little bit there. Our llama's a little tired today. But you can draw your llama eyes to be open if you like, or you can make it have glasses. Now we're going to draw some patterns. So I'm going to do some diagonal lines. So some going sideways and then upward and sideways and upward. Let's go a little fast. Gonna cover up our whole page. Now, I'm doing these lines, but you don't have to. You can draw your own awesome doodle, whatever you like. Let's add some accessories to our llama. I'm gonna make a necklace. So I have my curved line going from one side to the other, one up and one down, and I'm going to loop it around to show that it's wearing a necklace on the sides. And let's draw the little charms. So I'm going to draw a circle, then I'm going to draw a line going downward, and then zigzag lines, up, down, and closing it up with another line, circle, line down, zigzag lines, and goes back up. Let's add a couple of more. Get some on the top and the bottom. Oh, let me add one more right there. Okay, perfect. All right, let's color. Woohoo!